moving on from a breakup or heartbreak.
मतलब डर तो सबको ही लगता है ना यार.
It's not their problem, it's our problem. क्योंकि
I cry a lot.
Society that where we are now free to express but not comfortable.
When we watch movies, all those stars and everyone, it's all dressed in.
No, it's their choice.
They had same feelings.
It is already decided that man has to pay every time, and if he doesn't, then man is considered as conjuice or ill-mannered. So keeping this in mind and out of respect, man decides to pay every time. But in my case, I prefer Dutch. I never pay every time.
Yes, it happens a lot of times that a person is said to be ill-mannered or something when he refuses kind of to pay on the first date. But that's not how it should be, as we talk about equality and everything. So this paying thing should be out of respect or something, and not out of a responsibility or liability of a particular gender.
आई गेस थोड़ा सोसाइटी ने ऐसा बना दिया है कि अगर आप फर्स्ट डेट पे जा रहे हो तो लड़का भी करेगा, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अब हम 21st सेंचुरी में हैं तो कोई भी पे कर सकता है यार.
Yeah, quite a time I have seen in movies that when they are in a restaurant, usually men came up and pay for the bill. But that shouldn't be the case. But otherwise, it should be like divided or out of respect that this time I'm paying, next time you should pay.
No, it's not like that. They can split the bill.
I think that men should definitely not feel liable for paying for the date, and splitting would be an amazing option and should always be an option. But if you just don't want that, you can always run.
I think wearing makeup is a personal choice. छोड़ दो पे यार.
I don't think that makeup is for specific gender. We do makeup to look good, and if society is judging you based on this, then I guess we should not even care, because we are doing makeup for our own to look good. So yeah, men can also do makeup.
That's stereotyping the men's gender. Makeup is actually there to look good, feel good about yourself. And people should wear the makeup irrespective of their gender, right? And actually makeup is a part of grooming, and grooming is a part of self-care. तो क्या दिक्कत है? जिसका मन हो वो makeup लगाए. People shouldn't judge for this thing. This is something beyond the gender part.
No, it's their choice. If they want to wear makeup, then it's okay.
Yes, I've personally come across situations where I've seen people judging guys for wearing makeup or something, but that's not how it should be, because when we watch movies, all those stars and everyone, it's all dressed in makeup, talking about the male ones. So if them, why not us? So it should be a matter of personal choice rather than stereotyping men that they cannot wear makeup or something. That's it.
Okay, makeup is something which is gender neutral. So if you like it, do it. If you don't like it, don't do it. It totally depends on you.
मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, मर्द को डर नहीं लगता. I think these statements are merely stereotypes created by the society on the male population. Because if there happens to be a guy who fears the dark, who fears the height, who fears a small little thing such as an insect, that doesn't make him any less of a guy. He is still a guy with all his fears. So it's perfectly fine.
I don't know ये सिनेरियो क्यों है सोसाइटी में कि लड़के बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं, मेन को डर नहीं लगता, उन्हें दर्द नहीं होता. आई मीन सबके अपनी इनसिक्योरिटीज़, अपने फियर्स होते हैं. तो व्हाट आई फील इज दिस इज़ कम्प्लीटली अ मिथ कि लड़कों को डर नहीं लगता या उन्हें दर्द नहीं होता.
Personally, मुझे अंधेरे से बहुत डर लगता है, because I feel like कोई मेरा पीछा कर रहा है. But डर का जेंडर से लेना देना होना नहीं चाहिए. But society.
I don't know why does society even think that. मतलब डर तो सबको ही लगता है ना यार. अंधेरे से तो सभी डरते हैं, कौन नहीं डरता?
No, Men can also feel the fear of losing their loved one, fear of rejection, and many more.
लगता है भाई डर, मुझको तो बहुत लगता है और मेरे बहुत दोस्तों को भी लगता है भाई, ये कोई क्या बात हो गई. The fear is in your mind and women and men both have mind. So why to say that मर्द को डर नहीं लगता? सबको डर लगता है और सबके गला सूखता है.
A lot of people have this perspective or consider that guys find it particularly easy to move on. Like, really? Feelings are never gender specific and they never should be. If a person you love drifts apart from you and you are taking a lot of time to get over it, that's perfectly fine. It's okay to take your time in moving on.
Not easy. You see, what people don't understand is we men do have an emotional side. और हम भी बहुत sensitive होते हैं बहुत चीज़ों के लिए. And if someone leaves us, how can we be normal? It hurts and it takes time.
I think it just depends on the situation and how things ended. But yeah, everyone is vulnerable when they break up. Yeah, that's very common.
To move on is one of the hardest things. If you have feelings for someone, if you are emotionally attached to them, those feelings won't disappear from you, just like it takes time.
See, moving on from a breakup or heartbreak, it differs from person to person. Personally, for me, it's quite easy to move on, but for some other people, it might not be. So it has nothing to do with gender.
यार रिलेशनशिप इज समथिंग जो 50-50% होती है. तो जितना हार्ड लड़कियों के लिए होता है उतना हार्ड ही लड़कों के लिए होता होगा ना. कोई ऐसा तो नहीं है कि लड़की को ज़्यादा देना है या लड़की को कम देना है. इट इज़ मोर अबाउट यू नो साथ में कोई काम करना, लाइक अ टीम. सो दोनों तरफ ही डैमेज होता होगा या जो भी परेशानी होती होगी. तो वी कांट से दैट कि लड़कों में मूव ऑन करने की पार ज़्यादा होती है, वो जल्दी कर लेते हैं. नो.
It's not easy for men to move on in any ways. If a woman and a man had invested equally in their relationships, they had same feelings.
What are men sensitive for? That's a nice one, first of all, because actually you try to consider men as sensitive. Sensitive itself happens to be a censored word for men. But yes, men are obviously sensitive for a lot of things, their stuff, their relationships, their friends, and everyone else is.
My best friend being sensitive for me. So like, it's a very appreciated thing and it should be done more often. And I think that men are really, really sensitive, even if it's just for a video game, but they're actually very sensitive.
Men are sensitive for their mother, hair, and video games.
I think men are sensitive for their sports equipment, motorbikes, hair wax, hairspray, and their shoes.
Why is this even a question? There are so many places we get emotional. बेटी बहन की विदाई, we get emotional. कोई मूवी बुक पढ़ लेते हैं, we get emotional. Breakup, we get emotional. And so many things that makes us emotional and we are sensitive for. So we are also human and we also feel things. We have also soft heart.
Yeah, men can be sensitive about many things in life. I am sensitive about my family, my friends. Other people might be sensitive about how they present themselves in public, how they look, and many other things. So yeah, men are sensitive.
Finally, at least you considered men as sensitive. Yes, we are sensitive related to our things. I am sensitive about my clothes. If anyone touches that, or if my clothes get torn, that hurts me. Seriously.
No, it's not like that. Men also need some time to adapt to the new environment.
Yeah, we do perceive men that they will adapt into environment or surroundings easily बिकॉज बचपन से यही स्पून फीड किया जाता है कि लड़के स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं, वो रोते नहीं हैं, उनको ऐसे ही होना है, ठीक है, मैस्कुलिन होना है। और वहीं से तो इशू शुरू होता है। मतलब सबका एक ट्रिगर एरिया होता है, सबकी इनसिक्योरिटीज़ होती हैं, तो हम कैसे किसी को बोल सकते हैं कि आप हमेशा कंफर्टेबल हो सकते हो कहीं भी? दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग।
This is the notion created by the society. Don't you think this is more based on the personality of the human? The one who is more extrovert will be easily adapted to the society, और जो जितना ज़्यादा इंट्रोवर्ट होगा वो उतना टाइम लगाएगा। चाहे लड़का हो या लड़की, डिपेंड्स वो किसकी पर्सनालिटी है और वो किस टाइप का बिहेव करता है व्हेन ही इज इन द न्यू एनवायरनमेंट।
No, yeah, I think this is more of a personality type question rather than dividing it based on gender. For men too, it's not easy to adapt according to surroundings. If it's not easy to feel comfortable with someone or with people whom you met just 2 days. In fact, I also take many days to feel comfortable with anyone.
I don't know why we even think of that. मतलब introvert तो लड़के भी होते हैं ना यार.
Men find it easy to adapt to surroundings according to people. Not exactly, because there happen to be things like homesickness and then goodbyes, which are not particularly about men. These are simply personality types. It has nothing to do with men. And even guys do find it pretty difficult to say a goodbye.
Obviously, being loved and being pampered is the most happiest and the cherished feeling one could ever feel. So I think men also feels happy, comfortable when they are being loved. In fact, I am also being pampered in my family a lot.
Yes, obviously. The feeling of being loved and wanted is cherished by all. It makes us feel happy and cared for. And this touches on the emotional aspect of relationships, and men like to be emotionally rewarded as well. So obviously men like to be pampered, and not just men, everyone does. So it's not just a case of a particular gender. Everyone likes to be pampered, and that's how it should be.
Obviously. Yeah, obviously. Let me tell you a secret. Maybe from outside men look hard and rigid, but there's a soft corner, and like everybody else we also go through hard times, and we have to go through societal pressure, work pressure. So when we get back to our comfort place and there is someone for us to pamper us, so that's sometimes that all we need, and that is necessary for both men and women.
I mean, who doesn't like to get pampered? And I feel men love when we pamper and appreciate them. So please do it.
Yes, men likes when someone takes care of them.
Yes, of course, they like being pampered, but especially not in front of their friends.
I think they just love it, and there's a little baby trapped inside of them which genuinely needs some pamperation and some face masks and stuff. So I think it's the very best thing that you can do for any man.
Men hesitate showing the emotional side because I guess that is what has been inculcated in them since childhood, and that is why they can't express. But it is okay not being okay, and it is okay to express yourself, express your emotions.
So like ever since they're a kid, they are asked to man up and suck it up and not tell that they are sad or they are not supposed to cry. So I think that's the reason, major reason why they bottle up their feelings and do not share it with someone. And generally the guy friends or their homies or their bros, they just dismiss the feelings of each other. So that's very not nice. But that's the major reason is the society and its pressure and how they are supposed to be manly.
Men feeling fussy about showing their emotional side has everything to do with the society, because society has imprinted this particular thing on the minds of people that men is a synonym of strong, and this particular stereotype like gets in the way for a lot of guys out there to express themselves emotionally. But I would just say kudos to all of us who do express their emotions gracefully and keep doing that.
What I feel is it's not their problem, it's our problem. क्योंकि उन्हें uncomfortable हम feel कराते हैं, उन्हें हम comfort zone नहीं दे पाते कि आप अगर vulnerable हैं तो आप हमारे पास आकर अपनी sensitive side दिखा सकते हैं, emotional side दिखा सकते हैं. We as a society portray them strong, and then we, it gets into another direction which leads to toxic masculinity, जो बोलता है कि आप मतलब बिल्कुल भी वीक नहीं पड़ सकते या आप इमोशंस नहीं ला सकते. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मतलब आप भी इंसान हैं, हम भी इंसान हैं, सब में इमोशंस होते हैं. इफ़ यू फील इट, प्लीज़ find a trustworthy person and share your emotions, and it's completely normal to do it.
क्योंकि यार ऐसा हमेशा चलता आ रहा है. From our childhood we have been taught that manhood is about being strong. कि हमें चोट लगती है तो कोई बात नहीं, हम स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, हम रो नहीं सकते, रोने तो लड़कियां रोती है, हम नहीं रोते. बचपन से हमें ऐसे कंडीशनिंग दी जाती है कि वी नाउ डोंट फील दैट मच कंफर्टेबल एक्सप्रेसिंग आवर फीलिंग्स. इज इट रॉन्ग? आई डोंट नो, बट नाउ दैट्स व्हाट वी आर नाउ. बट जनरेशन आर चेंजिंग एंड नाउ वी आर गेटिंग अप टू a new society that where we are now free to express but not comfortable.
Being emotional is not easy for everyone. Some can express, some cannot. And for men, it is assumed that men are not emotional because बचपन पे ही हमें ये हमारे मम्मा पापा बोलने से पहले ही हमें ये बता दिया जाता है कि तुम लड़के हो, तुम स्ट्रॉन्ग हो, तुम नहीं रहोगे. But believe me, this is so not true. I cry a lot and I am emotional.